Sometimes, a short outing in the woods is all you need to experience the world's endless beauty. Today, 3-Year Travelers PH embarks on a journey into nature to discover the simple pleasures that only a few nights in the forest can offer.
Hi everyone, Alvin here of 3 Travelers PH. So right now it's 5:13 in the afternoon. So ngayon we will be traveling going to Marinduque. We're going to hike Mount Malinding. So by ngayon is 6 or 7. Our meetup is in Greenfield sa Mandaluyong. So we'll be traveling going to Lucena. Siguro estimated around 11 in the evening kami dun makakarating. And estimated of arrival dun sa Marinduque sa Balanacan Port will be around 4 or 5 in the morning bukas. So we'll see. Sana we have a good weather. Yun. Samahan niyo ako sa trip na to. Hi guys, time check, it's 7:55. So sakto umabot. Kala ko malilate ako eh. So yun, so konti na lang inaantay. Time check guys, it's 8:08. So wala pa yung mga kasama namin. Kain muna kami. Hi guys, dito sa Yan ngayon. Kaso hindi siya magmamalindig eh, si Kapo.
Ika mo.
Kasama si Jofferson.
Ingat, ingat. Yes, bye.
Hi guys, time check. It's 3:45 in the morning. Babiyahin na kami ng Marinduque. Yun, kasama namin. Kasama yung van. Hi guys, it's 3:50. Makain dapat kami, kaso walang bantay. Mag-aabang muna kami dito. Self-service na pwede na tayong kumuha dito. So tagal ng bantay, baka nakatulog. Yeah, 3 hours travel lang going to Marinduque. Time check guys, it's 4:56 in the morning. Palis pa lang kami. So it's 3 to 4 hours travel going to Marisco. Hi guys, it's 5:56 in the morning. We're heading to Marinduque. Siguro estimated time of arrival dun mga around 8, ganun, or bago mag-8. So, hi guys, time check, it's 7:15 in the morning. Kararating lang namin dito. So, sakto. Already almost 4 hours yung travel time. So, mamamalengke muna kami now. Madali lang naman yung going to Saddle eh. It's around 3 hours.
We just arrived at Balanacan Port and now we are getting off the ship. The first thing we'll do is to buy food at the market for our meal at the Saddle campsite. Right now, we're waiting for our fellow hikers to get off the ship before heading to the market.
Hi guys, it's 8:37. So, mamalengke muna kami. Hi guys, it's 11:15 in the morning. Late na kami. Hindi alam ang desisyon kung magka-camp o mag-day hike. Malalaman mamaya. Pwede namang i-day hike eh.
Bitik na to. Tingnan nyo nga. Anim to. Okay to sir. Mainit yun doon. Diyan lang tayo mag-grab. Saka mahangin doon. Open yun ah.
Time check 11:47.
Isa lang yung ano ng
Paghapon na kasi ron, inaano siya ng ulam.
Medyo tinatamad pa kami
Pero makikita mo yung baba, may
Ay, saan na yung mga kawali?
Sa porter. Asa na ba yung dalawa?
Meron pa kaming 9 minutes bago lumarga. Bago mag-12.
Gago! Tapos girls, mag-ano kayo? Magtali kayo maigi ng buhok. Pag sumabuhos pwede eh. Ano, picture mo na.
Star Trek 12:01. Yan yung leader namin, yung naka-blue.
We've just begun our hike to the Saddle campsite and the weather is currently favorable. Hopefully it stays good throughout our journey to the campsite. And as we continued our hike, we passed by many coconut trees.
Hi guys, take 5 daw muna.
Time check, 12:57.
Hindi naman lahat.
Gitna ng saddle at jump off. Refill muna kami ng tubig.
Ito, pwede naman, pwede rin, hindi sa amin. Kaso lang,
After refilling our water bottles, we commence our first ascent on the trek to the saddle campsite. And from here, the summit of Mount Malindi is visible.
ikaw ma'am, sa mangga. Ay, para naman ano. Ayaw daw, pag-left ko.
Time check, 1:30. Going to saddle camp. Mani yan. Ito, intercropping mais at mani. Panama sa tagulan yung mais. Hi guys, it's 1:46, approaching to saddle camp.
This is the view near our saddle campsite. We took a short break and enjoyed the view before heading straight to the camp. What I'm saying here is it is 1:52 p.m. and we are already here at the saddle campsite. We left the jump off point at exactly 12 p.m. and it took us until 1:52 to arrive here. Then tomorrow we'll be heading to the summit. As I was looking for a spot to pitch my tent, I also noticed some cows and carabaos here in our campsite.
Ito na yung spot. Dito kami magka-camp. Prepare ng dinner.
Before pitching our tent and preparing our dinner, we took a moment to enjoy the stunning view from our camp, where you can see the hills and the ocean. And here is one of the carabaos I mentioned earlier while I was looking for a spot to pitch my tent. And I also saw a farmer with his caravan's and dogs.
Time check, it's 3:07 in the afternoon. So, nakapitch na ng Fed ng lahat. Clear na po, kuya.
Kuya, pabol! Isang case na Red Doors! Noon! Ayaw na!
After we finished pitching our tents, I enjoyed the view again and I watched the caravans and of course the horses, which is why it's called the saddle. That is the summit of Mount Malamdip, and we will climb it tomorrow after breakfast.
Auto tag, no? Ay, auto add yun eh.
Hi guys, time check, it's 4:09. So, ito yung weather ngayon. Luluto kami ng dinner. Yan guys, yung summit ng Mount Malindig. So, tomorrow early morning, papanig kami dyan. Hi guys, it's 5:45. Preparing for dinner.
Ayo! Para niya, may
5:54. I'm waiting for sunset.
Pangulo eh, pakanan. Sa'yo na sa'yo, sa'yo na ulit. Mahihilo tayo eh. Oo, sa'yo na ulit. Tapos dito, pakanan.
A good weather and a sunset view from our campsite. This is one of the most rewarding experiences after a hike, making you feel like you never want to return to civilization when you are in such a peaceful and beautiful place. That's why I'm happy that I chose hiking as one of my hobbies. It really helps if you want peace of mind. While we were waiting for our dinner to cook, some of us were socializing while I continued to watch the sunset.
Sabi niya, 6:30, di ba? Sabi kasi, 6:30, andito yan. Alas 5 yan, akit na. Tapos na natin trabaho sa pagkita. Sakto. Diretso ang inuwan.
Time check, 6:43. Dinner time ng mga...
Time! Lalo yung anak natin. Sana.
Kaya nga eh, yun yung pinaka-importante.
May soft drinks.
Talaga. Ayun na.
Kaya kahit minun ka damdaman ka ng iba.
Saan yung isang ano, kuya? Saan dyan to? Galing sa ano yun, di ba? Bukal? Yung pwede ilimin yun, di ba? Yung pasahing pwede rin ilimin yun. Galing bukal. Nasaan yun? Yun. Tayo na yun. Patasin yun.
Morning guys. It's 4:22 in the morning. And maulan ngayon. Kasi nga merong tropical thunderstorm. So, inabot yung hangin dito. At maulan na. So, baka mamaya na kami mga 7 or 8 kapaling sa summit ng malimlim. Hi guys, time check, it's 5:07 in the morning. So, maulan ngayon dito sa Ambon. Tingnan mo si Queenie, oh, yan oh. Maaga nagising.
So far, the morning has been peaceful, but they say a storm is approaching, so it's starting to drizzle a little. Hopefully, we won't get stranded here before we head back to Manila. And now, we're getting ready to climb to the summit of Mount Maguindanao.
Time check, 5:37. Yes, let's go.
And of course, there's always a rainbow at the end of every rain. Some of our fellow hikers took a picture of it. Then, we continued to hike.
Time check guys, 5:57. Ito na sa detachment ng Philippine Army. So mag-checkpoint muna.
bago makakit ng summit. Time check 6:31. Katatapos lang ng ceremony master. So, pinayagan kami. Yes. Hey guys, time check 7:36 in the morning. Here we go. Nandito na kami sa summit. So, nag-start kami ng around 6.
We are now at the summit of Mount Malintea, and of course, we will be taking pictures and videos before we head back to our campsite.
Sabi ko sa alam, hindi mo ba ako? Sabi ko, alam na lang yung sino mananalo. Kinantaan ko lang lang, para sa'yo. Ang laban na to.
Time check 8:32. Descend na kami. Time check guys, 9:07. So, bababa na kami. Dito na sa may part ng Sagingan. So, medyo malapit na to dun sa ano ng army. So, mula doon, siguro pababa mga 30 minutes. Yeah. Goods lang. Chill, ano lang to. Chill hike. So, nandito na kami. So, malapit na to sa army banda. Time check guys, it's 9:31. So, pababa na kami. 10 minutes. Doon na sa campsite. Time check, 9:34. So, lapit na kami sa Saddle Camp. Uulan. Tatlong magkakahiwalay na isla. Yan yung syudad ng Marinduque. Approaching to campsite. Breakfast muna. Then baba na. Diretso na ng Poktoy Beach. Medyo na iba yung IT. Dapat bukas pa uuwi. Pero dahil medyo may news ng masama yung panahon, uuwi kami today. Magbe-beach na muna. Poktoy. Time check 11:15. guys. Ito na. Lakad na.
Time check 12:19. So, dito na kami sa baba.